how to make coconut rice. Let's do it. Always good to clean the rice and rinse it. You want to drain it really well, just because we're going to be putting coconut milk and water to cook it, so you don't want the coconut rice to get too soggy. We're going to do this in the rice cooker actually. That's the way I do it. You can do it on the stove as well. I'll just rinse it out. Get the starch out of there, and clean it, of course. And then drain it really, really well. So let's add our water. And we will add our coconut milk. Oops, I made a big mess there. I'll clean that up later. You can combine the sugar. And a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. So now we're going to whisk that together. So here's my mixture of water, coconut milk, sugar, and salt. I'm just going to heat this up until the salt and sugar is dissolved, and then I'm going to add it to my rice into the rice cooker, and then just turn the rice cooker on as you normally would do. Mine, I've got to press it down twice, you know, for it to cook perfectly. So, but I find this method in the rice cooker cooks perfect every time. I will turn that off. Let's grab our rice that we washed, and we're going to add the mixture to the rice. Again, you're heating it up just to dissolve the sugar and salt. So we can get all that in there. It smells great. Love coconut rice. So I just like to use my whisk and just kind of mix it all in there like that. So there you have it. Once that's done, we will throw it into the rice cooker here. I have it over here. There's my rice cooker. Put it inside. We'll close the lid, and then we will just press the button to cook. When that pops up again, then we'll press it down a second time, and our rice should be ready. Should be ready by now. Oh, it smells good. So what you want to do is just fluff it up, because some of the liquid and coconut milk, the oil, is actually going to be floating on top. So you definitely want to mix it up with, or fluff it up, I should say. Mix it up with the rest of the rice, just to kind of even it out so it's not so mushy on top. There you go. Coconut rice in the rice cooker. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and cooking it as much as I do. If you did, please smash the like button below and subscribe for future videos. Until next time, BJJ, eat, sleep, repeat.